Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Snap Camera on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to download Snap Camera on your computer or laptop. You can just go to your browser and then search for the Snap Camera. Then you can download and install this camera on your laptop or computer. And after the Snap Camera has been installed, you can go to your Discord, and then you have to go to the Discord setting. Click on the settings icon, and you're going to scroll down until you find the voice and video setting. Okay, and here we have to go to the input camera. And as you can see, I'm using my camera on my laptop, and I'm going to change it to Snap Camera, and we can choose Snap Camera. Okay, and after that, we'll be able to use the Snap Camera when we start the video call on Discord. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Snap Camera on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.